Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the red planet Mars is on wheel from the 14th of April till 20th of July, and what it has is up its sleeves. That is what has to be discussed. I've already written an article on this, and I'm, you know, sort of writing it again and with details in a broader spectrum. Although the article has been already written and a video has already been made for it. So let me read it out. I have, I fear the falling planetary positions in the coming months from the 14th April to 20th July for the globe in general are most enigmatic one and natural and unnatural calamities, earthquakes, explosions, terrorism, war and warlike conditions could prevail between the countries. Surge in coronavirus cases as already predicted by me. The time frames have already been predicted by me. Please follow those time frames on my webpage. And suffering to the mankind. The most important article which I have written in this regard already is the red planet Mars, Roman god Saturn, and demon Rahu, what they have up their sleeves till July 2021. And a video in this regard has already also been placed in this article. In this article, I have discussed the planetary positions in the year till July 2021, specifically till Mars goes in the sign Leo and the fourth house of the foundation chart of India. I have been mentioning in all my articles that till that the affliction in the Taurus Scorpio axis, affliction to the Cancer Capricorn axis, and affliction to the Lagna Lord Venus is prone to untoward happenings in the country, especially when Venus, the Lagna Lord, is also under affliction. At the moment, Mars is in, this I wrote back somewhere in December. So at the moment, Mars, at that point, Mars was in Pisces and will ingress in Aries, was to ingress in Aries on the 24th December 2020, and there will be aspect of Mars, fourth aspect on this sign Cancer, and Saturn, seventh aspect on Cancer sign, the third house of the India borders, and there will be affliction to the Cancer Capricorn axis. The Jupiter Saturn dual aspect on the sign Cancer activates the house of borders, and there will be every possibility of the Pakistan and China afflicting war on India, in maybe in the form of terrorism or warlike situation. More to do, and above all, the dasha of Moon Saturn till the middle of July 2021 is forming a Vish Yoga for India, and is also a Panurfu Yoga. It's not good. During this time frame, North Node Rahu will be in Taurus over the natal Rahu, and Ketu will be over the natal Ketu in the 7th house. Journey of Rahu will start towards the star Rohini, which is also the most enigmatic, for India, especially from the 13th of February 2021. The time frame will be most venomous for India, but for other countries as well, as may be seen for the Armenia crisis, Iran, Israel, Middle East, China, USA in a nutshell. Jupiter falling back in Capricorn between the 14th September to 20th November 2021 is also most enigmatic for the complete world, it so seems, because Jupiter is a planet for Jiva. It is not good, and especially for prosperity and divine blessings. So here I have given the video. The world's biggest tragedies take place when Mars and Saturn influence each other, and the nodes are also afflicted. Mars, Saturn, and affliction to nodes. In the present scenario, Mars and Rahu forming an Angarak Yoga, and in the Navamsha also Mars, Rahu, and Saturn in Gemini Navamsha till the 28th March, till today. Rahu Saturn will remain in this Navamsha till 10th May 2021. 2nd April 2021 is another time frame, and there could be tragedies in the world. For the war and standoff between countries. The Veda of Mars and Saturn is most important in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, and as has been discussed on my website, and the planetary positions even after 14th April are not conducive since Mars aspects Saturn by 8th aspect since Mars aspects Saturn by 8th strong aspect till 2nd June 2021, and there will be Veda between Mars and Saturn as per the above chakras, Rashi Sanghata Chakra and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra between the 25th April to 17th May 2021 is most prone. Further, after the 2nd June 2021, Mars and Saturn will oppose each other, and the time frame for the in the time frame between 1st July to 7th July becomes most crucial for the world standoff between the countries, whether it is China or whether it is India, whether it is China and US, whether it is China and India, or whether it is China or Pakistan. So till 7th April it is most enigmatic. In the chart of US, China will have aggressive stance during this time frame from the 14th April to 7th July. In the chart of US, Mars and Saturn influence each other. US can also be involved in aggressive acts, but China will be more aggressive since the natal Mars is placed in the 7th house of wars in the debilitation and will be activated by the transit Mars on the 2nd June 2021. In the present scenario, Mars aspects Saturn in the 8th house degree wise today. You see this Lagna Lord, it is a Capricorn ascendant, and Lagna Lord is placed in the 8th house, and today it aspects it degree wise. Nutshell, the planetary positions are taking the shape of the war-like situations in 1962 when there was war between India and China. At least, if not war, then terrorism for sure in India, and especially in Jammu and Kashmir, because Jammu and Kashmir is a war-prone state for the simple reason that it has got Mars and Saturn in the sign in the sign Cancer in the 7th house, and 7th house is wars, and this Mars and Saturn will be activated by Saturn in the Lagna and Mars in the 7th house after 2nd June 2021. And one common thing is that Mars is debilitated in the chart of Jammu and Kashmir and also in the chart of China at 21 degrees. And 7th July, the transit Mars will be over the natal Mars in both the cases. So it is prone, India will be prone to terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. China will have an aggressive stance and a standoff between US and China is not ruled out. A standoff between China and India is not ruled out, and a border clashes between India and Pakistan, especially in Jammu and Kashmir, are not ruled out, especially on the 7th of July, between 1st July to 7th July. And when there is Veda between Mars and Saturn in the Rashi Sanghata Chakra, the initiation can start after the 25th April to 17th of May. So friends, this is all, note this. And then Saturn in the case of US is 24 degrees in Virgo, will be activated by the transit Mars, also on the 26th May 2021. So now you have a look at the charts. I've explained the important points in the chart of US, in the chart of China, in the chart of India. Then this Rashi Sanghata Chakra, Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, they are the most sensitive chakras which indicate, and we have parallel positions, at the time of 1962 October. There was also Veda between Mars and Saturn just before the war in September. I have given the chart of the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, and we have parallel positions. So there may not be war, but there will be war-like situation. There could be terrorism. The brawl between India and China could go for a toss. It is very difficult, situation. All the principles are, I am following the principle of Sri K.N. Rao. They are not my principles, and my Research is that whatever things happen in the previous time, and when planetary positions are parallel, things are bound to happen. My predictions for the Angarak Yoga between 23rd of March to 2nd of April, you will see for yourself till and even on the 26th March, whatever I have said. Broadly speaking, I cannot see the charts of all the countries, but if you read my 15 articles, I have mentioned so many countries. So many countries I have mentioned. It is not possible to see all. I am not being paid for it. I do it myself. How do you expect an astrologer to see all the charts of the world? You cannot see. But primary parameters can be mentioned, that yes, these are the parameters, and whichever country falls in that will have troubles. And the dates are pointing out, the dates are absolutely correct, pinpointing the details, and they are spot on. So where is the question of pointing out the countries? I am not being paid for it. I do it myself just for passion. There may be 103 countries. I can't look at all the 103 countries. For each country, you have to see the 40 charts. People just write comments. Do they know what is astrology? It's the most difficult subject. Seeing 40 charts for one country multiplied by 103 countries, if you look at 103 countries. So friends, it's a very difficult subject. It is more than IS. A person may qualify IS, but he cannot qualify astrology. It's a very difficult subject. There are so many permutations and combinations. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. And then the activation of Mars in the sensitive arc of the zodiac. There are two sensitive points. Mars and Saturn, Jupiter and Saturn conjunction took place at 6 degrees. So when 6 degrees is activated in the sign Capricorn, by Mars will be most sensitive point, and I mentioned in the article. People do not read the article, they only listen to the videos. You should read. If you are interested in really astrology, you should read full article, only then you will understand. So 6 degrees, after it goes in Gemini, it will go in Gemini on the 14th. So maybe between 23rd of April to 26th of April will be venomous. It will be activating the 6 degrees in Capricorn. And then the next degrees is 19 degrees in Capricorn. Now why 19 degrees? Because there was planetary war between Jupiter and Venus. And as per Mur Chitram, the mundane classic, it is a combination for bloodshed. And nothing can happen till Jupiter and Saturn, first of all, the dual transit activates it. It has already been activated. And the third house of borders has already been activated as far as India is concerned, which is the 12th house of US and which is the 7th house of China. So it has already been activated when Mars aspects the 19 degrees from Gemini in the sign Capricorn by 8th aspect will be most venomous. And when will that be? I will just read out. The following parameters, then I have given the chart of Iran also. The following parameters in the zodiac arc. Mars will activate the 5-6 degrees of Jupiter and Saturn conjunction on the 23rd to 25th April 2021. Mars will activate the Jupiter-Venus conjunction of 19 degrees on 16th May 2021, and 16th May from 25th April to 16th May already there is a Veda between Mars and Saturn. So this point, this 16th May is very important. So all these time frames what I mentioned in the article are most important. So friends, this is all I just wanted to say. And then the Suez Canal has been blocked, and this can be responsible for the standoff between US and China. This planetary positions also show the standoff between US and India, the standoff between India and Pakistan in the form of terrorism. And terrorism, Jammu and Kashmir is a most prone state for terrorism. Everybody will say it is a prone, but my dear friends, when Mars goes over Mars, that is the time I am giving you the time frames. I have given mentioned the dates when Mars goes over Mars and when Mars crosses the Saturn in the 7th house just before leaving the sign on the 17th July. And then when Mars is at 19 degrees on between the 1st July to 7th July, and then 16th May after 25th May. So these dates are very important: 25th May, 23rd to 25th, 26th May, then 25th May to 16th May, 23rd April to 25th, from 23rd April, 25th April to 16th May, and then 1st July to 7th July are most important time frames for the world. This can also adversely influence the stock and financial markets. See, I don't want to write on financial markets. I don't want to encourage speculation. That is not the idea. Astrology does not say that you should encourage speculation, but that I'm telling you that these sensitive points, when they are activated, they'll influence the stock market. You will see, and you will see it for yourself. The basic concept should be known, and the article what I have mentioned here, if you go read in the detail, it is totally by the paper produced by Shri K.N. Rao in October 2010, and he has mentioned all the parameters. I am following all the parameters. Nothing is of my own, and my research says that yes, they hold good. At least all the Babri Masjid cases, then Jallianwala Bagh, and all that, when Rahu transits in the Rohini Nakshatra, whenever Malefic transits in the Rohini Nakshatra, is the time for agony and pain. So Rahu is there in the star Rohini from the 13th February to 20th September 2020. There's a time for agony and pain for the country. Maybe it is anything for that purpose. Maybe it is coronavirus. Maybe it is blast. Maybe it is explosion. Maybe it is standoff between India and China, or standoff between India and Pakistan. So all the untowards happenings will take place during that time. In the book of mundane astrology, so many pages have been written on this. How can any person write, and a person of stature of Shri K.N. Rao, and things may not happen? It is just not possible. And I have studied with him. I have spent 12 years in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan with him, and with Shri S. Ganesh. I spent 12 years. People just do 2 years. I have done 3 times Acharya and 3 times Alankar, Jyotish Alankar. And then I spent so much time with my in research. So friends, this is all I just wanted to say, that this is a proper study which I have made. It is not just like talking in the air. You will see it for yourself. These dates are most prone. The intensity may be less or high, that I cannot say, but the dates are most prone. The dates will, the degree aspect, the degree conjunction of planets and degree opposition of planets is most venomous, especially of Mars and Saturn. When Mars aspects Rahu, or when Rahu aspects Mars, or Ketu aspects Mars, or Mars aspects Ketu. In the chart of North Korea, there is a conjunction of Mars and Ketu in the sign Libra, and the conjunction is taking place in the 8th house from that, the conjunction of Mars and Rahu. It is not good for North Korea. And then, so many things. I have not seen the chart in detail, but what I am trying to tell you, why North Korea is coming up. He may exercise some missiles. He may try to do some work on missiles, and he may create some terror and agony and pain also, because the chart is like that. Rahu Ketu transiting in the 1/7 axis of North Korea. It is very difficult to see 40 charts for one country. But yes, I can definitely see for India. And I have written details, so many articles on India, so many articles on China, so many articles on US, because they are the main countries for which you can write. A person on the YouTube has written, you never predicted for Australia. But gentlemen, I had predicted untoward happenings, and if you see the chart, they are falling absolutely. Then I wrote on Australia. If you know astrology, only then you can appreciate it. Now, those people who do not know astrology, they cannot appreciate the things. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to share that the time frame Mars is the most red planet. Mars is most dangerous, and especially when he activates the natural zodiac. When in the natural zodiac he activates, and things are bound to happen just by pressing, just like switching on the electricity. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share and give my views on the comments of the people who have written on my video. They must know astrology before they comment. I have written 15 articles on Angarak Yoga. Has any astrologer written even a single article? They don't appreciate the amount of time you have to spend on analyzing the things. So friends, this is all I wanted to share, and thank you very much for listening to me, and have a good day.